Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I would like to show you how to create some polka dot patterns to add a shadow effect. Here, I already locked all the layers I created in my last video, and I created a new layer called shadow. On this layer, I have this path I already drew. That's basically where the shadows I want to go on this image. Now let's create some polka dots shadows. I'm going to select the ellipse tool, double click on my document. This time I'm going to create a very small ellipse that's 3 by 3 points. Hit OK, and I'm going to have this selected and go to Object, Pattern, Make. All right. Once you hit that, there are all these windows show up, so just hit OK. Basically, this is telling you I'm adding this new pattern to your swatches panel, which is right here, as you can see, right here. It's called New Pattern. And now, what we need to look at is this pattern options. And here, this is giving you a preview of what your pattern looks like. I'm going to give it a name that's called shadow. First, you will be able to select what tile type it is. Right now, it's a grid. You can also see brick by row, brick by column, hexagon. I'm actually pretty happy about brick by row, and here is the offset. And now the width and height is basically how big this box is going to be. If this number is bigger, it's basically going to leave more rooms between the tile. I actually feel pretty good about this. And once you feel happy about it, just select down. Now, as you can see, it's adding this new pattern to my swatches panel. And now it's just super easy. I'm just going to select the path and click on it. Boom, here is the polka dot pattern. And I'm going to delete that. Here, actually, I want to make the dots a little smaller. In order to edit it, you can either go to your swatches panel and just double click on your pattern and you will go back to this pattern editing mode. The other way to do it is basically have it selected and go to Object, Pattern, Edit Pattern. And now I can actually have this original dot selected and modify it. And once I'm happy, click down. The last thing I like to introduce is to use the rotation tool to rotate the pattern. First, have your shape selected, and then on the toolbars, you would want to find the rotation tool or hit R on your keyboard. And then once it's selected, double click on the icon, and here you would actually want to check Transform Patterns and uncheck Transform Objects and select Preview. Now when I rotate it, I'm actually only rotating the pattern. I would say 30 degrees and click OK. Here is our pattern. Basically, you can use this way of making patterns to make lots of different kinds of patterns and also have them saved on your swatches panel. That's all for my pattern tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you in my next video. Bye!